Now then, hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and yes, we are again in the warehouse. We have got more stuff coming through the doors every single week, and so this is what's back on our website today. So item number one is part number 062489. It's the Zeus fastener assembly kit, and that is £15 and 13 pence including VAT. Next is the valve adjuster with the mushroom head. A set of 4 of these also comes with the adjusting tool as well. It's part number 131890, and that is £49 and 37 pence including VAT. Part number 063423, the fork stanchion for the Commando, is £86 and 76 including VAT. And your instrument case, which is painted, part number 064144, is £71 and 62 including VAT. And finally, the much anticipated side stand kit for the Atlas and also for the Dominator as well. Part number 131694 is £155 and 93 including VAT. And as always, don't forget, if there is something on the website that you really need but it's out of stock, you can either drop us a line, give us a call, or you can always just set yourself a reminder on the website so that when it does come back in stock, you'll get an email through to you telling you that it's actually here, and you can jump onto the website and make your order. But until next week, thanks ever so much for watching, and safe riding as well.